Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting immediately. Empty your bladder, relax shoulders, and settle into a comfortable position. First, locate the pelvic floor by briefly stopping urine or imagining lifting internally. Once identified, begin with 5 gentle contractions, holding each for 3 to 5 seconds, then relax for 10 to 15 seconds. Make sure to breathe normally and avoid tightening your abdomen, buttocks, or thighs. Once done, note how the lift feels so you can match it when you progress to seated and standing practice. Once you're comfortable with basics, step up the routine with deliberate progression. You'll do 3 sets daily. Start each set with 10 slow holds of about 10 seconds, then add 10 quick pulses to train fast twitch control. Make sure to breathe steadily and avoid holding your breath. Keep your trunk and glutes relaxed to isolate the pelvic floor. If a hold feels easy, increase time by 2-3 seconds. Track sets and perceived effort so you build both strength and endurance safely. Now integrate Kegels into real life. Perform them while standing, walking, and during routine tasks to make the skill functional. Aim for 3 to 4 short sessions daily and maintain consistent intensity. Expect measurable change in 6 to 12 weeks. If you notice increased pain, pelvic pressure, or worsening leakage, stop and consult a pelvic health professional. Do not push through sharp or persistent discomfort. Finally, adjust intensity gradually and celebrate small gains to stay motivated.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.